Hello guys, I am Surbhi and this is lesson 4 of our beginners mandala series. In previous lesson I shared 5 easy center designs and today I'll teach you how you can draw grid for mandala. So if you are a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. Now let's begin. So to draw grid you need a scale, compass, pencil and a protractor. So these are all the materials you need today. To draw grid, the very first thing we need to do is to draw a circle. So I am drawing a circle of 4 cm. So first draw a circle of 4 cm. I am making it small because in the next lesson we will draw a mandala using this grid. So we will draw a mini mandala in the next lesson using this grid. After drawing the circle, grab your scale and divide this circle in 4 parts. Then grab your protractor and place it on these 3 lines like this. So place your protractor perfectly on the right angle and then start marking at 10 degrees. So you need to place your protractor on right angle and mark at 10 degrees each. So we will do the same on both sides. So let's complete marking. After marking at both sides, grab your scale and start connecting these marks. Put your pencil on the center and start connecting both of these marks with the center. Draw lines inside the circle only. So connect all these marks like this. Put the pencil on the center and start connecting both these marks. So make sure that every line goes through the center. So let's complete making this grid. And also let me know in the comments if you want any specific topic video in this course related to mandala art. So let's complete drawing all these lines. And you need to draw all these lines very carefully. So the grid lines are drawn. Now we will erase these extra marks outside the circle. So the grid is completely drawn. This is how you can easily draw perfect grid for your mandalas. Let me know in the comments if you find this video helpful. And in the next video, I'll show you how you can draw mandala using this grid. So stay connected for next lesson. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.